I'm at one of the forward locations at the line of control. With me is the area commander, who, of course, played an important role in terms of Operation Sindoor. So, my first question to you is technology. It was vital to Operation Sindoor. Many of the assets which were used were made in India, something that has been talked about globally now. So, if we can perhaps talk about that.
Okay, a lot has already been discussed, I think, on your channel also about air defense systems and drones and missiles. I want to make a point about technology infusion in the army at the ground level, at the tactical and sub-tactical level. In the last year and even before that, there's been a lot of infusion of technology. It has been the year of transformation in the Indian Army. Each of my gunners is a techno warrior. What this means is that there's a kill chain in the artillery. We call it a kill chain. What is it? You detect a target, you acquire it, you pass it to the fire direction center, you compute the fire emission data, you fire onto it, and then you do the post-strike damage assessment. This entire chain today is automated and networked. And this means, to give you an example, we detected a Pakistan gun position firing onto a civilian target. It was detected, and a press of a button, the data came to the fire direction center. At a click of the second button, the guns were ready to fire. And before he could finish his engagement, we were already raining our shells onto him. And he had no answer for this. So technology has played a critical role. Our boys have absorbed this technology and internalized it. Now it's no longer anything new. It is the new norm of war fighting. And most of these technologies are made in India, so that helps.
So my final question to you is, how is the situation right now? We saw the understanding which was achieved on 10th of May. In terms of any misadventure, what's the plan like? We know that the Indian Army played an important role in thwarting the ceasefire violation and also the Pakistani attack from the other side, from the Pakistan-occupied Kashmir.
You see, on the line of control, we are in a perpetually ready state. Whether it was before Ops Sindoor, during Ops Sindoor, or after Ops Sindoor, we are forever ready. We are trained for this, we are oriented towards this, we have customized our drills and procedures for this. So for us, Ops Sindoor was just a validation of how well prepared we are. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for speaking to Vion. So there you have it, the voice from the ground as to how the Indian forces played an important role in terms of thwarting the threats coming from Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. And as I have been telling you, we are at a very sensitive location at the line of control, a location that played an important role in thwarting the Pakistani threat, in thwarting the Pakistani misadventure. With video journalist Neeraj Patel, Siddhant Sibal for Vion at the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir, India.